Let's talk about the latest launched VGOTEL smartphone New 24 in Pakistan. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.528 inches HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with 50 megapixel AI triple camera setup on the rear. For selfies it has 13 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.3 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53, powered by MediaTek Helio G35 chipset, paired with IMG Power V RGE 8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, 4 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 512 GB dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.15 by 75.1 by 8.8 mm. The color options light green, black colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The VGOTEL New 24 has been priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 20,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this VGOTEL New 24 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.